2017 Toyota Yaris. I'll be swapping out these manual side mirrors to power mirrors today, so let's get started. Alright, so zooming in, you can see the circular piece right here, and this needs to come out because there's a screw behind it. This is the tool that I used to take the cap off. Now I have to get this piece up, so I'm just going to take this tool and just pull up like that. Okay. And then there's two more screws I have to get. These two screws right here. Got one. Then you're going to come down here to the bottom. See this arrow right here? You're going to pull on that bottom piece to lift the door panel up. So I'm just going to start from that corner, because that's where it's easiest to grab from, where that arrow is. That arrow right there. Okay, so now I'm going to go down to the arrow, start there, and start pulling on the bottom of the door panel out. And once you have it out, you lift up like that, and now the door panel's off. So I don't want to unplug this because I don't need to. That's the only reason why I don't want to. So I don't want it hanging on that, so I'm just going to get something to support the bottom of the door panel so it can be resting on something once I take it off. You want to make sure that you don't have it hanging on the wires only. You want to have something supporting it if you're not going to take it off completely. As you can see, I have it resting on that trash bin right there. So this is what I mean. If I didn't have that trash bin right there, it would be, the weight of the door panel would be hanging on this and on this wire harness, and you don't want to do that. So just make sure it's resting on something so there's no unnecessary weight hanging on this. I think this is for the door locks, and on these wires right here. The next step is coming over here and getting these 3 bolts out. There's one bolt right there, one bolt right there, and another one right there. It's going to be kind of hard to get a good camera angle, but they take a 10mm socket. And you will need an extension to reach through here. So I haven't taken that last bolt out yet, but it is coming out. And as you can see, this is now loose. I haven't taken it out completely, so it's still hanging on. Now, since this mirror is still good, I can probably sell it and get some money for it. So if you want to hang on to your old mirror and not have it break, you need to make sure you hold on to it as you're taking this last bolt out, because it will fall to the ground and break. So I'm just going to finish taking this bolt out by hand and make sure I'm holding on to the mirror. The bolt is out, and now the mirror is completely out. Okay, so this is the old mirror, as you can see, it doesn't have any hookup for the wires. So even though it's perfectly fine, that's why I wanted to get a new mirror. This is the new mirror. As you can see, it already has the hookup for the electrical. So all I have to do is plug this in to the harness that's on the car, and that's it. I'm good to go. Now I'm ready to put the new mirror back on. I'm just going to feed the wire through here, and I have to make sure these two prongs go in these two holes, and this little slit will go in this piece. So it should fit perfect. Okay, now I need to put the screws back in. Okay, so I put the screws back in. So now this plug from the mirror goes right in here. It should snap right in there. Alright, so it's in there nice and snug. Now I can start putting the door panel back on. Okay, so in order to put the door panel back on, I'm going to lift this back up and put it over on here first. So it'll kind of be hanging. So I'm just going to lift this up and line it up like that. Okay, so this is what the top of the panel should look like. The top of the panel should be completely level and even in place, basically, right? But the rest of the panel will be, it's not going to be put in yet. Okay? Now that the top is in, I'm just going to go around the sides and the bottom and just pop everything back in. Okay, so now when I pull on it, it shouldn't pop off. So now that you have the door panel back in place, you can now put the screws back in. Remember, there were 2 screws that go in here. And the other one. Okay, so now I can put this back in place. It just snaps in. This is the last screw right here. Then just close this. I almost forgot about this piece right here. This just snaps in. Okay, so this is an old mirror, and this trim piece needs to go down here. So I'm just gonna take this off. It just comes right off. It just like snaps off like that. And I'll just put it on at the bottom. It'll just snap in.